On a clear afternoon in June 1947, pilot Kenneth Arnold embarked on a routine flight near Mount Rainier, Washington. Little did he know this flight would change how we view the skies forever. As Arnold flew his plane, his eyes caught a glimpse of 9 peculiar objects moving at incredible speeds. These were no ordinary aircraft. Their movements were too swift, their shapes too unconventional. Arnold described them as resembling saucers skipping on water, and thus, the term flying saucer was born. This sighting sparked a frenzy of public interest and media attention. People were captivated by the idea of unknown objects traversing the skies. Reports of similar objects, often described as disc-shaped or cigar-shaped, began to surface from various corners of the globe. The sightings seemed to defy conventional explanations, further fueling the public's imagination. Arnold's experience ignited a firestorm of curiosity and speculation. The age of UFOs had begun, and with it, a wave of questions that continue to intrigue and perplex us to this day. Just weeks after Kenneth Arnold's sighting, another event unfolded that would become synonymous with UFO lore: the Roswell Incident. In July 1947, rancher Mac Brazel discovered unusual debris scattered across his property near Roswell, New Mexico. The debris was like nothing he had ever seen before, consisting of metallic-looking materials and strange symbols. The incident quickly captured national attention. The Roswell Army Airfield initially issued a press release stating they had recovered a flying disc, sending shockwaves through the nation. However, the military quickly retracted this statement, claiming the debris was from a weather balloon. This sudden change in narrative only served to intensify public suspicion. Many believed the government was attempting to cover up the true nature of the Roswell incident. The Roswell incident became a breeding ground for conspiracy theories. Speculation ran rampant, with many believing the debris belonged to a crashed alien spacecraft, and that the government had recovered extraterrestrial bodies about the universe and our place within it. Section 4. Whispers in the Shadows, Conspiracy Theories and Government Secrecy. As UFO sightings persisted, so too did whispers of government cover-ups and secret military operations. The lack of clear explanations for many sightings, combined with the government's reluctance to fully engage with the phenomenon, led many to believe that something more significant was afoot. Conspiracy theories flourished, often centering around military bases and government facilities rumored to house captured alien spacecraft or even extraterrestrial beings themselves. Area 51, a highly classified Air Force facility located in the Nevada desert, became a focal point for these theories. Its remote location and secretive nature made it the perfect breeding ground for speculation. The government's insistence on maintaining secrecy around Area 51, even for routine operations, only served to intensify public curiosity and fuel conspiracy theories. Every denial, every redacted document, every unexplained event was seen as further evidence that something extraordinary was being hidden from view. Section 5. Storming the Gates, the birth of an internet phenomenon. Fast forward to the digital age, and the enduring fascination with UFOs and Area 51 found a new outlet: the internet. In 2019, a seemingly innocuous Facebook event titled Storm Area 51, They Can't Stop All of Us, created by Maddie Roberts, took the internet by storm. The event, scheduled for September 20th, 2019, humorously proposed a mass gathering of individuals to storm the gates of Area 51 and uncover its alleged secrets. The event's description, filled with memes and lighthearted jokes, resonated with internet users, quickly going viral and garnering millions of RSVPs from around the world. What began as an online joke quickly morphed into a cultural phenomenon. The Storm Area 51 event captured the attention of mainstream media, sparking debates about online trends, the power of memes, and the public's enduring fascination with the unknown. Section 6. A Gathering of Believers, Festivals, and the Allure of the Unknown. As the Storm Area 51 event gained momentum, local communities in Nevada saw an opportunity to capitalize on the global attention. 2 festivals emerged in response to the event: Alien Stock in Rachel, Nevada, and Area 51 Base Camp in Hico, Nevada. These festivals aim to provide a safe and entertaining outlet for the influx of visitors drawn to the area by the Storm Area 51 phenomenon. They offered a blend of music, art, food, and alien-themed entertainment, catering to a diverse crowd united by their shared interest in UFOs and the mysteries surrounding Area 51. Attendees, many dressed in elaborate alien costumes, came together to celebrate their shared fascination with the unknown, sharing stories, theories, and a sense of camaraderie. While the Storm Area 51 event itself may have started as an online joke, the festivals that emerged in its wake demonstrated a genuine interest in UFOs and the possibility of extraterrestrial life. Section 7. Legacy of a Meme: The Enduring Fascination with Area 51. On September 20, 2019, the day of the raid, a relatively small group of individuals actually attempted to approach the gates of Area 51. However, the event was largely peaceful, with law enforcement present to ensure public safety and prevent any attempts to breach the heavily guarded facility. While the Storm Area 51 event did not result in the mass storming of a military base or the uncovering of alien secrets, it left an undeniable mark on internet culture and beyond. It demonstrated the power of online communities to mobilize around a shared interest, however unconventional, and brought renewed attention to the enduring mysteries surrounding UFOs in Area 51. The event also highlighted the challenges of managing viral events in the digital age, as local communities grappled with an influx of visitors and the potential for chaos. The Storm Area 51 phenomenon, though fleeting, served as a potent reminder of humanity's enduring fascination with the unknown.